Stand-up paddleboarding past a legendary Thai temple. This river is unreal. Not a drone shot, not a boat, just me, a paddleboard, and a temple, floating through history in Chachoengsao. This is the Bang Pakong River, and the temple is Wat Sothon Wararam Worawihan, home of Luang Pho Sothon, one of Thailand's most deeply revered Buddha images and a spiritual heart of the region. In this Flip Flop Navigator adventure, we go stand-up paddleboarding in Chachoengsao, a province and a town in central Thailand about 50 kilometers east of Bangkok along the Bang Pakong River, known for its riverside culture, temples, markets, and agricultural heritage. It's a relatively quiet, authentic Thai destination that's easy to reach from the capital of Bangkok by car, bus, or train. Our adventure starts here at the Chuan Ma restaurant, home of the Chuan Ma Stand-Up Paddleboard Club. There's the stand-up paddleboards. I don't know how we're going to get out with the vegetation. Vegetation over here in the woods. We had to move the paddleboards to the end of the dock because of the heavy floating vegetation buildup today. On the Bang Pakong River and other rivers that run through Thailand's plains, you will see a mix of free-floating aquatic vegetation that gets carried along by the current or wind. Many of these plants are naturally present, with the most common species being the water hyacinth, a floating fern-like plant with broad leaves and thick mats that form on the water surface.
And add more too.
Oh, okay,
Me
okay.
and him.
So 6?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. It's about 4:15, so sun will be setting in an hour and 45 minutes.
As instructed, I got on my board and headed across the river to wait for the group. There's the temple, under construction. The temple's origins go back to the late Ayutthaya period 3 centuries ago. The Wat Sothon Buddha image is considered a sacred protector and bringer of blessings. It is 1.5 meters tall, seated in a meditative posture. Legend says the statue floated up the Bang Pakong River and chose its resting place at the temple, which is why many devotees believe it has special powers to protect health, safety, and bring prosperity or other wishes. The little fish are jumping over here. They must think I'm a big fish. It's like that flag needs to be replaced. It's still flying high though. Sawadee krap.
Hello, สวัสดี
We headed up a small Thai klong, a narrow canal, and the lush greenery, still water, and birdsong stole the show.
Something's in the trees over there. Some kind of lizard or monkey or... I saw that one. It was a big monitor lizard. This is the end.
Group shot, man.
Hi.
Group shot.
Can you take a group shot for me? Okay. Thank you. ขาเธอไม่เมื่อยขาพี่หรอตูน้ำวัดบางพระเหรอ
Should we pick up garbage?
พี่ตันบอกเรือพัดจอดตรงนี้
Okay. Thank you. ขาเธอไม่เมื่อยขา
Floating down the river with these guys. If you look at the temple, we're moving pretty fast. Restaurant's way up there. That's where I started. Kurt's moving that fast.
This isn't a tourist boat. This is the best seat on the river. Quiet water, sacred ground, zero crowds. As the sun drops and the river slows, there's nothing left to chase. Just warm light on the water, monks chanting in the distance, and the quiet rhythm of the Bang Pakong River carrying the day away. Some places ask you to move fast. This one asks you to float a little longer.
you go. Okay, ขอบคุณครับ Okay. Oh yeah, that.
If you had any doubt, we picked up the garbage in the river.
This is where our boards were before. Look how it filled in. No room for boards now.
everything
We put everything away, changed into dry clothes, and ended the day at Chuanma, a local Ran Gin Duem, an eat and drink spot with delicious spicy Thai food, stumbling through English and Thai, talking about how great the day had been. If this video makes you want to get off the couch and get your butt wet on a stand-up paddleboard in beautiful Chachoengsao, please like, subscribe, share, and comment.
ก็เธอรู้ดีว่ามีฉันอยู่มาก่อนเขา